Unicorns, it's Ellie, and today we are doing a Mary Kay unboxing. Okay, so this might be one of the only ones I do this year. It just depends on the type of inventory I get, because I don't want to like get the same inventory and keep showing you the same things over and over. But this is what I got this time. Hold on a second. I actually got this a little while ago, but I really haven't been up to filming lately. A lot of the videos that you guys have seen lately are either pre-recorded from a while ago, or one of my latest ones was the one about George Floyd. Well, mentioning him partially. I didn't say any names in the video, but yeah, I just really didn't feel up to filming like that recently. Okay, so what we have here. Let's see what this is. I think this is my roll-up bag. Yeah, I think this one is my new roll-up bag, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This one has hearts on it. My other one does not have hearts on it. I'm glad I updated it. Oh wait, no, I don't have a roll-up bag. That one's my mom's. My bad. I'm just talking about my makeup pouch. But here we go. It has compartments with like where you can put everything. I really like the outside design. It was really cute. But this I can carry pretty much anything and take it anywhere. So if I have a party or something, or if I'm going to, like, what I like to do is use certain products to market with, or network rather. So if you have like a sample of something, you could put like samples of cologne, samples of perfume, samples of lip glosses, samples of eyeshadows or whatever, and you can hand them out to people that way. That is one use for it, or you can use it personally. All of these you can order yourself, for yourself off my website. You don't have to be a Mary Kay consultant to order these products. But yeah, I like this. So on to the next one. I'll probably do an entire separate video on the MK Connections magazine that came in this particular collection. Okay, so if you guys follow me on TikTok, you'd know that I use the Clear-Proof Acne System. That's what I had been using for a little while I was getting my more severe acne cleared up. My skin is doing better. I noticed like sometimes I have to switch up and stuff depending on what products I'm using. So I'm also trying out a new skincare product, but this one in particular is the Clear-Proof Acne System. I do really like it. Oh, okay. Yeah, I do really like it, and I just needed to update it. My actual set that I was using was a little bit outdated, so I had to refresh it. Okay, so this I'm extremely excited for. This is the Mary Kay Naturally set. This is the cleanser specifically. This is actually a new release that they just did. So I'm actually going to be trying this out before I go in with the Clear-Proof Acne System again. But yeah, this is the Mary Kay Naturally. This is the cleanser. It's called Purifying Cleanser. And this one is the Nourishing Oil. I'm extremely excited about this. My skin, I know this kind of sounds contrary to what, you know, you're supposed to do and whatnot, but my skin is very oily naturally. But for some reason, when I would put like coconut oil on my face, my acne would subside. So it would help. So I figured with the Naturally Nourishing Oil, very similar to the botanical oils by Hairfinity. It's just really good for your skin. Very, very good to keep moisture in it, and for your skin not to feel like it needs to overproduce, because I think that's what I have an issue with too. And this is a moisturizing stick, so it's basically like lotion in a stick, which is really cool. I'm looking forward to using this. Let's see what it looks like outside of the box. Okay, so this is what this looks like. Really cool. Oh, there's a little cap on here. There we go. And then you twist it. It looks like lip gloss, how a lip gloss container would be. Okay, it doesn't have a smell, but it just goes on your skin like that. So I'm not sure if you can see like the shine versus the not shine. So not shine, shine. This is actually what I was looking forward to the most out of everything, is the Naturally skincare set. And there's one more piece. This is the Exfoliating Powder, which is really cool. You can mix that with the Nourishing Oil, and you can use it as like an exfoliating scrub. So So this is what it looks like outside of the box. Okay. And I'm not going to say it's like baby powder. I really don't know what it's like. So, but I will let you guys know the results I get when I start using it. I don't know how to take this off. Anyway, I'm going to get on with it. Oh, that's how you do it. Well, it's fine. Okay, this actually is very, very important to me. I am not sure how you guys' skin is, how you guys' skin behaves, but for some reason, sometimes when I use liquid type of cleanser, I'm not sure. I don't know. My skin is weird, but this is the third skincare product. I'm sorry, I'm just throwing this stuff. This is the third skincare product that I'm showing you in this video specifically that I got in this order. This is the Time-Wise cleansing bar. This works so well for me. I don't know why. You can use it all over your body, yes, but I use it for my skin, my face specifically. It works so well for the cleansing side specifically. I don't think there's a moisturizer that goes with it unless you use the other Time-Wise moisturizers to go with it. But dude, it works so well, especially when my skin likes to feel extra oily. So like in the summertime specifically, this works very, very well for my skin in particular. I really like it. It has the little blue beads in there. You can feel it. Have that little abrasive texture to it. It's not very abrasive at all, but you do notice it sometimes. Okay, and this is one of my gel semi-matte lipsticks. This color is Rich Truffle. I really like nude colors. I know I'm wearing red right now, but this is just a lip tint. This is not a lipstick. I really don't like to wear bold lipstick like that. But I do like my browns and my tans, my nude colors. I'm not going to swatch it. I know that would be fun, but I'm just going to keep that for probably when I do a makeup look or something. Okay, so I'm really excited about this. This is a waterproof liquid eyeliner pen. And I'm not sure when Mary Kay came out with this, but I use the gel eyeliner. That's what I have on right now, where you have the where you use the brush. You use the little brush thingy and you dip it into the gel. I like that, but this is, I guess, it wouldn't smudge as easy. So if I was to wipe my eye, this would just smear all over. But if I was to have this on, it wouldn't smear as easily. So, and also it's waterproof. So it's just like extra protection specifically for, since it is waterproof. And this lipstick is Bashful You. I was really looking forward to this one. Is this one also a brown? I don't remember if this one was a brown or a pink. The pink goes along with, you know, the nude colors. I really like those, but this one's brown too. Okay, here we go. A little bit lighter than the first one. So yes, this one is Bashful You. And I got a bunch of eyeshadows and some applicators and sponges and stuff. So this first eyeshadow is Shiny Penny. It's like a golden type color. This one is Candlelight. It's like it's lighter than the first one. It has a little bit of shimmer to it, I believe. Okay, and this, oh my gosh, this is actually my favorite mascara. But the thing about it is they changed the brush shape, so I don't know how it's going to apply now. But I'm still excited for it. I like the actual mascara itself. So they did a little curve on this mascara. Let me just put it on real quick. I don't have on any mascara right now. Okay. Alright. It's still the way that it feels as far as the actual formula, like when I put on the Ultimate mascara, it's like a little bit liquidy and wet. This one, it still feels like how I remember the Lash Love formula being in years past. So I still like how it applied. It's not like that sticky feeling. I do like the Ultimate Mascara. I just prefer Lash Love. Okay, I think that's it for those. Yeah, the rest of these are just sponges and applicators. Okay, and this I am really excited about. I am finally have a new brush set, okay? And here we go. This is the pouch that they come in. You should go hold your brushes in. So here I have the blush brush, and these are a lot softer than how they were previously, and let me tell you, girl, they feel so soft. Like I have on BB cream right now, so it's probably not smart for me to do that, but yeah, it feels really, really good. Is this a smudge brush? Not sure. Does it say it on the side? Cheek. Oh, so my bad. This is the blush brush, and this one is the all over powder brush. So basically foundation, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, blush and then the all over powder brush. And these two are for eyeshadows. Oh, these three. So this one is all over eyeshadow. This one is for your eye crease. This is the biggest, this is the medium size, and then the smallest size is the eye smudger. Okay, that's for when you like a smoky look. Okay, and so and you just put these. No. Oh, that's not how I thought it was, but okay. My bad. These are a little tight. These are tighter than I thought they would be. So let me put the big brushes in first. And you're supposed to take them out the plastic and stuff, but I'm just doing this for the video. I'll fix everything later. But everything has its place like this. So you have these three brushes on this side and these two brushes on this side. And I think that's everything I got in this order. Let me check real quick. Okay, so yeah, that is everything. Okay, so I'm gonna go, I'm gonna read you off the products I use, and I will try to have everything in the description with a direct link to where you can order. Yeah, the applicators and stuff, I'll skip that. Okay, so the roll-up bag, so the roll-up bag, the Naturally Purifying Cleanser, the Cleansing Bar, the Eye Color Candlelight, Eye Color Shiny Penny, the Liquid Intense Black Eyeliner, the Hydrating Oil, the Naturally Mary Kay Nourishing Hydrating Oil, the Bashful You Lipstick, Rich Truffle Lipstick, the Mary Kay Naturally Moisturizer Stick, the Mary Kay Essential Brush Collection, the Black Lash Love Lengthening Mascara, Mary Kay Naturally Exfoliating Powder, the Acne Skincare System, and this. So that's not a part of the order. That just comes with it. But anyway, so yeah. If you are a consultant, you do get all of these products at a 50% discount, but that's because, you know, it's our incentive to sell everything. But if you are a regular paying customer and you're not, you know, trying to sell anything, these are at full retail price. And if you were to order everything that I got, your total would be at about $451. And all these products will last you pretty much the entire year. Or, you know, possibly longer, but I wouldn't suggest like keeping certain makeup things for longer than a year without refreshing it properly. But I mean, yeah, you know, do you? But the brushes, you know, those will last a few years. Mascara, if I'm not mistaken, mascara could last you 2 years, if I'm not mistaken. But it's good to refresh, especially if you're using these on a regular basis. What I like to wear is more so something you can wear on a regular basis, not necessarily like crazy looks, which is why I don't think Mary Kay has specific palettes. They did have some mini palettes before, but they would prefer to sell your eyeshadows in individual packets so you can create your own custom palette. And so that way you don't have to have all these bright and crazy colors in your palette when you're not going to use them. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you would like to order any of the products, I'll have the links in the description box below, and I will be updating you guys on me using this. I do prefer to use the cleansing bar this here, but since the Naturally Skincare system is relatively new, I want to go ahead and give this a try. I do like natural products. Everything is scientifically proven to not just work, but it's all safe. They have all the scientific stuff on their website. They use a third-party testing facility. I forgot exactly what their name was, but you know, it's not just taking their word for it that everything is natural. They do have proof and science backing it all up, and it's all certified and everything. So yes, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, Rainicorns.